Discover today's key market trends, from easing Russia-Ukraine tensions to volatile Nifty movements and the NTPC Green Energy IPO. Stay tuned for strategies to navigate the market. GIFT Nifty is pointing to a positive start for our stock markets. The positive catalyst, tensions in the Russia-Ukraine conflict appear to have eased. Digging deeper, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov reassured that efforts would be made to avoid nuclear war, while the US maintained its stance on not adjusting its nuclear policy. Our call of the day, however, suggests bears are likely to step in on any excessive rebound in benchmark Nifty. The key themes for the day. 1. The US dollar index flirts with its 2-year high, now at 106.78 levels. The US dollar benefits from rising US Treasury bond yields. 2. That December US interest rate cut remains in limbo, with traders uncertain after Powell has said the Fed is in no rush to cut rates. 3. WTI crude oil comfortably in green at $69.50 per barrel, supported by escalating conflict between Russia and Ukraine. 4. Record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. This November, FIIs have sold to the tune of Rs. 34348 crores. Long story short, Nifty is vulnerable to more downside as bears hunt for more downside targets. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3412 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 2784 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating lower high-low pattern. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 15.66 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th November, is at 0.98 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th November, is at 0.91. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Nifty, CMP to 3519. Support, 23,450 to 23,400. Resistance, 23,650 to 23,700. Range, 23,400 to 23,700. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 50627. Support, 50,350 to 50,300. Resistance, 50,850 to 50,900. Range, 50,300 to 50,900. Bias, sideways to bullish. Nifty snapped its 7-day losing streak in Tuesday's trade, but that said, volatility was hallmark as focus was also on Maharashtra and Jharkhand state assembly elections. Counting of votes for the two states will take place on 23rd November. Nifty, however, ended way below its 200 DMA, 23,575. Buzzing stocks. 1. NTPC's wholly owned subsidiary NTPC Green Energy's initial public offer got subscribed 33% on the first day of share sale on Tuesday. The Rs 10,000 crore initial share sale is entirely a fresh issuance of equity shares with no offer for sale (OFS) component. The issue, with a price band of Rs 102 to 108 per share, will be available for public subscription up to 22nd November.